So I'm in this situation where I need to get the steering wheel off the car. Managed to get the nut out, no worries, but the wheel is very, very stiff on the splines, and if I heave, nothing happens. Even if I heave both-handed when I'm not holding the camera, it doesn't work. Maybe a puller, maybe a lever, but you can't really get anything in there, and I certainly haven't got the right puller. What I do have is what I call my handheld chaos machine. Palm nailer, meant for nailing nails into things. It's basically like a very small jackhammer. And so if you use it inappropriately, you can get good results, or at least I did on that car over there. Now then, where are the bits I need? That and that. Can I prop the camera up? I don't know if you'll see this, but anyhow. Palm nailer there. Use it this way around, otherwise you end up founding cults that celebrate things like Easter. Get your force transmitter, which inevitably gets ruined, but that's what these things are for. Pop it in there, place it on the steering shaft, pull on the steering wheel, press. Oh. Ah, and this one's not going to work. There we go. Oh dear. So that one worked fine very quickly. This one's made a bit of a mess of the end of the shaft. Maybe use some kind of a bush next time so that you damage the bush, not the end of your steering. Luckily this car is not ever going to be road legal, so we won't worry too much about that.